Located in the suburbs of Kaiping, the township of the World Relic Watchtower in Guangdong, Fulia, covering an area of 36,000 square meters with more than 100 workers. With the integration of the research, production, marketing, and quality control and introduction of the automatic production line from Germany, we are the high-tech corporation with good reputation in the solid surface industry, whose annual output of panel materials can reach 300,000 pieces. Our main products are classified into the following series: Koris Solid Surface, Koris Modified Acrylic Solid Surface, Koris Artificial Marble, Acrylic Solid Surface Sink and Basin, Vanity Countertop, and Kitchen Countertop. Our products are not only sold at domestic market, but also abroad, like Singapore, Malaysia, Russia, Saudi Arabic, Australia, India, and so on. Stable stability, diverse styles, and perfect after-sales service has allowed us to gain a lot of praises from our customers all over the world. In turn, change into huge economic interest as well as significant influence. Koris Acrylic Solid Surface of Fulia has been widely being used not only for residential interior application, for example cabinet, vanity top, and basin, but also accepted as an excellent material for bank and hospital, for example reception desk and countertop. Koris acquired the international ISO 9001 for quality control, as well as the NSF 51 for Food Zone certification.